common leak on a metal roof, and that's around a smokestack like this. When you see a smokestack, there's always flashing around the smokestack. Look at the flashing here. So they had to make a transition from this flashing to the metal panels, the roof itself, and they caulked this. Look at this. Look at the caulking here. You see the caulking? And look, rust. You see the rust there? No good. So what happens is this stops the water here, forms a little pool there, and it just goes underneath there. Look at it. What did the caulking do? The caulking does nothing. Okay? You cannot put caulking over a seam. Caulking never works. Okay? That's one thing. And then you got the skirt flashing here. The skirt flashing that covers this seam here where these two pipes meet, and they just caulked it. Look, this caulking is loose. It never holds. This is the worst. See, it never holds. Look at it. It just funnels the water into that flashing. Okay, so you cannot do that. You cannot put caulking over seams. What I'm going to do is remove the caulking and then do a proper repair. Let me show you. The caulking only holds on one side, not. Here we go. So remove. You can see the rust there because it's. Oh, look at this. It's loose there. Look. Of course, it's gonna leak. Adjust it. Take a rag, wipe everything clean, make sure all the caulking is. The wind is blowing very bad. That in there with the wind blowing a lot.
A little more up. And then you cover it.
This is how you do a seam around the smokestack. Make sure you got everything clean and ready. Okay. So you cover this. Then I want to do the skirt flashing. So I want to show you how to do the skirt flashing. Okay, so first I cut myself the fleece. Hey, sweetheart. I cut tabs in a fleece. Every inch. All the way around, just like that, just like that. Okay. Okay. Just like that. That's the smokestack on a metal roof. That's how we repair it. I want to show you what the silicone looked like after months. Very, very, very nice. You can see it's smooth around the screws. We did this months and months ago, and it's smooth. It doesn't crack. It doesn't come loose. Caulking will come loose. You can never use caulking. Okay. See you on the next video. Thumbs up, please.